Yeah. J-Rock, we got another one. Y'all already know. Dreader Boy, aka Chopper Mob. 4 pound of crack everybody talking about. The Fat Boy, the Global Soul. Let's go.
What they do, what they say. Thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe. Sock passe, sock passe. I'm thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe. What they do, what they say. I'm thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe. Sock passe, sock passe. I'm thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe. What they do, what they say. I'm thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe. Nah, bootleg, already know the beat. I been thuggin' with them Zoe niggas in the streets. And when being Zoe wasn't really that cool. Them yanks used to make fun of Zoes after school. I was still with them niggas on some D-boy shit. Now them Zoes taking over, better reload, bitch. Need more clips, need more guns. You see me with them Zoes, better motherfucking run. And my niggas got cash cause them Zoes push weight. They wonder how this little city produce so much weight. They blame it on the Zoes, but I blame it on the hoes. They want fresh niggas, so we buying fresh clothes. And I ain't even Zoe, I just rock.
What's on, baby? It's the Global Zoe Fat Boy. That Sock Passe official re-release, baby, featuring Dreader Boy, 4 pound, produced by J-Rock. It's coming, baby. Got another smash with Haitian Fresh coming. And after that, we're gonna drop the official album, baby. We're working. Follow me on Twitter, at the Global Zoe. Shout out to all my supporters, baby, and all my Zoes. Hey, Luki La. You know what I'm saying? We out here, baby. IMK, y'all support that. Hottest clothing line coming out of Florida, baby. And I co-sign that deal. So top. Holla.
Trial in this bitch. Take the handcuffs and shackles off my main man. It ain't about small change, understand the game plan. We getting money over here, bro. I say new fat like jump just to make it clear, bro. Bad boy, Mr. Freak Rock, they ain't ready. You warm, I'ma slide through L-Dub and grab Dreddy. Don't fuck with 4 pound, you better slow down. All I gotta do is dial 305, holla at Soul Pound. Sock passe to all my dogs in the street. I'm out the box with McKenzie, know we scrap with that heat, huh? What they do, what they say. Thuggin' with the Zoes, niggas, sock passe.